Hi, my name is Will White, Solar Application Specialist at Fluke, and I'm here with the 283 FC multimeter and the A283 wireless current clamp. We're going to talk about how to pair the current clamp with the meter. So you turn the clamp on, turn the meter on, you'll go to Setup, scroll down to Clamp, and the meter will connect to the clamp, and you should see the serial number of the clamp on the list. Select the clamp and it will be paired to the meter. Now, having a wireless current clamp is really convenient because there's no wires to deal with. You can put the clamp into an enclosure, close the enclosure, turn a circuit on, and still be able to make current measurements. The clamp is category 3 1500 volt and category 4 1000 volt rated and can measure up to 60 amps. It also has a distance of approximately 10 meters or about 33 feet. So it's really good for taking measurements and being outside of the hazard zone. For more information on the 283 FC, check out fluke.com.